Smartphone versus DSLR camera, which one is better? Nowadays, photography is very popular because of smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you can make photo, you can take photo and you can capture beautiful moment of your life. Alright, now today we're gonna discuss about DSLR camera and smartphone photography. We have a misconception about photography because most of the people don't know about photography a lot. Alright, so today I'm here to help you with decide what do you need, smartphone or DSLR camera. So before we start our video, please hit subscribe button if you are new in the channel because we upload regular video about photography. So if you want to learn photography, make sure to hit like button and subscribe our channel. So let's get started to work. Alright, first of all, we're gonna talk about user level. So if you want to learn photography or if you want to be serious about photography, if you want to be a professional photographer, then you need a DSLR camera. If you take photo for hobby or if you are occasional photographer, then you can use your smartphone because nowadays smartphone camera is very good. Smartphone camera has another good feature. If you are lazy to learn about photography because you have to learn a lot of things if you want to be a good photographer. So if you are lazy to learn photography, then you can use your smartphone because in smartphone everything is auto, so you don't need to set anything specially. Just open your camera and click. There you go. Using pro and cons. Well, in this perspective, smartphone is convenient than DSLR camera because smartphone is lighter, smartphone is easy to carry, smartphone is easy to keep with you always. But DSLR is heavier and it is not convenient to keep with you all the time. So DSLR camera is not suitable for you to take it anywhere you want to go. So in this perspective, smartphone is better than DSLR camera. Okay, sensor. First thing we need to talk about sensor. Most of the expensive smartphone, they use micro third or smaller sensor. But most of the DSLR camera, they use crop sensor or full frame sensor. That is far good from smartphone because you are going to get a lot of details from big sensor. So big sensor is better. So in this perspective, DSLR camera is better than smartphone. Dynamic range. DSLR camera has much more dynamic range than smartphone. So your smartphone will never be able to compare with DSLR camera. Nowadays, smartphone upgrading so much, but still now it is not comparable with DSLR camera. So in this section, DSLR camera is one step ahead than smartphone. Okay, lens. You have a wide range of choice for lens selection if you are using DSLR camera. But if you are using smartphone, then smartphone cannot offer you to use different kind of lens for different kind of shot. In this perspective, DSLR camera is better than smartphone. ISO. ISO is one more useful feature of DSLR camera. DSLR camera ISO range is much higher than smartphone. So you will be able to capture more details on the dark than smartphone with your DSLR camera. DSLR camera has much more color accuracy and it also has higher shutter speed, so that is suitable for sports photography and action photography that you will never be able to take with your smartphone. Alright, now time to decide which one is good for you, smartphone or DSLR. If you want to learn photography or if you are serious about photography, then DSLR camera is good for you. And other hand, if you just want to take photo for occasionally and if you are a hobby photographer, then smartphone is suitable for you because you don't have to learn a lot of complicated stuff about photography. Just you take your smartphone and take photo, that's it. Other hand, if you are using DSLR camera, you have to learn a lot of things, because all of the things you have to manage with manual control. So that's it. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit thumbs up, and if you think its video might help others, don't afraid to share, and feel free to subscribe our channel to learn photography. Thank you guys.